Welcome back. Today I would like to share you how you can install Facebook on your iPhone 4S in 2021. And I think there are still many of you that using the iPhone 4S in 2021 and you want to use Facebook on your iPhone 4S, and you may encounter unable to purchase whenever you click on the download button, and because it say Facebook is not compatible with this iPhone. Now let me show you how you can fix these issues. So to install Facebook, you need to go to setting and then make sure you scroll all the way down. So if you go here, scroll all the way down, you're gonna find Facebook. So you can hit on install from here, and now it's gonna bring you back to your home screen. So you can wait for this pop-up. So you need to enter your Apple ID. Now if you see save password, just hit on yes, and then you're gonna see this pop-up where you can download the compatible version for your iPhone 4S. So I'm gonna hit on download. Now you can see Facebook is actually downloading on my iPhone 4S. And now Facebook is successfully installed on my iPhone 4S. Now it is fully working, so I can log in with my Facebook account. And you can see it works just like a new device. So I am very amazed that you can still use Facebook in your iPhone 4S in 2021. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.